In this video, we're going to explain the necessary steps to assemble and attach your rock guard kit to your Timpte trailer. First, let's make sure we have everything. Included in your rock guard kit should be the following pieces: one front panel, one nose cone, one cross member, two side panels, two corner posts, two SSL brackets, two 1/8 inch AL L brackets, two 1/4 inch AL L brackets with a slot, two 1/4 inch AL L brackets without a slot, 6 L-track studs, 32 washers, 26 nuts, 4 2 3/4 inch bolts, 14 2.5 inch bolts, and 8 3/4 inch bolts. You will also need the following tools for assembly: an 11/16 inch wrench, a 1/2 inch wrench, a 3/16 inch Allen wrench, and an 11/16 inch socket wrench is optional. Step 1. On the trailer, install 1 L-track stud in each side rail and 4 L-track studs in the front rail. Discard the washer for the L-track studs. We suggest having a second person help with assembly. For steps 2 through 7, we recommend assembling the rock guard separately from the trailer on a table or workbench. Step 2. For this step, you will need the following pieces: front panel, side panel, corner post, L bracket, and 2 3/4 inch bolt. Place the front panel face down. Place the side panel on the inside of the front panel and align with the pre-drilled holes. Align the corner post inside the side panel and attach the 1/4 inch AL L bracket with a slot using a 2 3/4 inch bolt. The slot is parallel with the side panel. Step 3. Attach a 1/4 inch AL L bracket with no slot to each side of the crossmember using a 2.5 inch bolt for vertical connection. Step 4. Use a 2 3/4 inch bolt for horizontal connection through the side panel, side post, front panel, and L bracket. Step 5. Attach 4 2.5 inch bolts in the remaining slots on each of the corner posts. Step 6. Attach the nose cone to the side panels using 3/4 inch bolts on the sides and 2.5 inch bolts on the front. Step 7. Attach 2 1/8 inch AL L brackets to the bottom of the front panel with a 3/4 inch bolt. The slot should be on the deck of the trailer. Attach 1 SSL bracket on each side panel using a 3/4 inch bolt. The slot should be on the deck of the trailer. Step 8. Move the rock guard to the trailer and attach the 6 L brackets to the L-track studs using washers and Tighten nuts. Tighten all fasteners. Congratulations, you just installed a rock guard on your Timpte equipment trailer. If you require further assistance assembling your rock guard kit, please send a detailed email to etaftermarket@timpte.com.